Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be teaching you how to make cabbage sauce. This sauce recipe is super easy to make. Before I start with the cooking, if you haven't subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button below and join the family. Also make sure to turn on your notification bell so as to get notified when I upload new videos. For this recipe, I'll be using chopped cabbage. I basically used my chopper to chop it. So this is the texture I have. Chopped onions and garlic, chopped tomatoes, chopped bell peppers, dried fish. I've already washed it, so it's neat. Chicken broth, ginger powder, curry and thyme, salt, Knor chicken. I love the flavor of the Knor chicken, and also a vegetable oil. Pour the vegetable oil in the pot, allow to heat up, and add in the onions and garlic. Allow this to fry for 1 minute. After that, you just start adding all the ingredients. This recipe is super easy to make because all you have to do is to add in all the ingredients once, cover and allow everything to cook together, and that's it. For this recipe, chicken is optional, but if you want to add it, then it's fine. I added it because I have this as leftover chicken, so that is why I'm adding it to the sauce. But if you want to make it, it is optional. You can just add in the dried fish and skip the chicken part. Once all the ingredients has been added, you just have to mix all to combine, cover and allow to cook for 10 minutes. Now the sauce is ready, and this can be paired with any food of choice. If you enjoyed watching this video, kindly like, comment and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in my next video. Alright guys, bye.